Have you ever wanted to invest in real estate? Real estate has always been a great way of generating passive income by means of rental income, as well as appreciation and overall growth over the years. So I don't blame you for wanting to get started investing in real estate. But there's always been a big barrier to entry because you do need a huge chunk of cash out of pocket to get started with the down payment. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get started investing in real estate without the need for that huge down payment that you're dreading. Hey, what's up, guys? You're watching Boss Your Money with Anthony. If you haven't already, please don't forget to turn the like button blue and subscribe to my channel down below. And I will leave a lot of useful links in the description below, so please don't forget to check that out. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section. Let's get straight into the video. I know you're wondering, how is it possible to invest in real estate without having that huge barrier to entry, right? It's very simple. There is something called as a REIT. REIT is an acronym for Real Estate Investment Trust. What is a real estate investment trust? A REIT is basically a company that owns and operates multiple properties. These properties can be residential or commercial. They include apartment buildings, they can include hotels, they can include warehouses. You name it, they can own it. REITs are usually listed in the stock market. So what happens is that investors like you and I have the ability to go and buy REIT just like you would buy any other stock. You can start investing in REIT for as little as you want. There is absolutely no barrier to entry, and different REITs across the world have different share values. So how does it work? When a bunch of people buy shares in the REIT, the company takes your investment and uses that money to actually buy the investment properties. So when the properties themselves go up in value, that then increases the value of the share. So when you sell the share, because of the increase in the property value, you then make a profit on selling the share at a higher price. Not only that, because it is a real estate investment, there is a rental income component. The way this is handled is that you receive a share of the rental income in the form of dividends. So you do generally receive a dividend payment from REITs on a half yearly or annual basis. There is generally no limit to how many shares you can buy in any given REIT. One of the things to note about REIT is that not the entire amount of rental income that they earn comes back to the investors. They do first need to take out the portion of the expenses that goes towards maintaining the properties and the other administrative expenses that do come when it comes to maintaining real estate properties. So once they've deducted their fees and the expenses, the rest of it is shared with the REIT's investors. So this is a great way to get into the real estate market without actually having to put down a lot of down payment and then being able to apply for a mortgage and being approved. It can take a lot of time. There is a huge hassle when it comes to actually buying a property, maintaining the property, and actually finding renters for it. So all of that is eliminated by buying REITs. REITs are definitely one of my favorite ways to invest my money, and a huge portion of my investment portfolio is actually in REITs. Before you buy any REIT though, make sure you do a complete research of what properties they own, who is managing the company, and make sure that you're completely happy with the specific REIT that you're investing in. Don't just jump into any and all REITs that are available in the market. So not only are REITs easy to buy, but they also offer a regular source of passive income, and they also do offer a long-term capital gain. The ROI on REITs might not be the greatest because they are real estate, and valuation of real estate properties can go up or down, but that's just like any other investments. You do have to note that this is not like buying shares in a company that can exponentially grow. It is a real estate property that is in a specific location geographically, and therefore it can only appreciate so much. But having said that, I love REIT because it does offer a steady and low risk investment opportunity for those of us who don't have huge sums of money in cash just laying around to actually put down payments and buy our own real estate assets. If I do plan to buy a physical property on my own, I like to actually start investing in a REIT, and when I have enough money invested, I then try to take it out and buy the actual property for myself. So if this video made sense to you at all, and if you did like it, please don't forget to turn the like button blue and subscribe to my channel for more awesome life-changing financial advice videos just like this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.